Hi, I am Dr. Hafiz, and welcome back in second episode of data analysis. This data analysis series is Stata. Today, I will explain the procedure to create Stata work file and data entry in Stata. For this, we must have a data. For example, I have a data set for China. There are four variables. The first one is a carbon emission. Second one is a gross fixed capital formation, and then I have a GDP per capita, and then lastly I have a broad money. So first of all, you have to copy the data from the Stata from the Excel sheet, and then you can go to the Stata window. Now there are two ways to enter the data. First way is with respect to the command. You can write the edit, and after writing the edit and enter, then you have a data editor, and here you can just have the right click, and then you can paste. After that, they can give you the option either you want the variable as treat as a first row or the data as a first row. I would prefer the variable as a first row. Here you can see this is the data from 1980 to 2016, and all these variables. And here you can see from the variable window, I have the year variable, then the country and the CO2, and then gross fixed capital formation, and then GDP growth, and lastly broad money. And if you click any of them, then you can if you can close it, and after the closing, you can see you have a 6 variable, 37 observation pasted in data editor. But here you can also use the data browser. Data browser is only used to see the data. For example, you want to see what kind of data you have entered in your Excel sheet. You can just click here, and then you can see the data. But second way, if you want to see through the command, then you can use the browse command, and it will help us the same function. You can browse your data. And now you can also save this data as data format. For this, you have to go file, and then you have to go save as, and then you can write here the name, just like I am writing the name is topic 2, and where you want to download the location. I just want to download the desktop, and here you can see the Stata data format. Here are available a couple of other formats, but I prefer the Stata data, and after that you can save it. And now you can see that the command is the data is saved on user desktop. And thank you so much for listening, and keep updating me for your comments and feedback.